Heart valves. The valve located between the right atrium and the right ventricle is called tricuspid valve. The valve located between the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery is called pulmonary valve. The valve located between the left atrium and the left ventricle is called bicuspid valve or also called mitral valve. The valve located between the left ventricle and the aorta is called aortic semilunar valve because it is semilunar in shape. Stay tuned for more flashcards with Doc Fever.